Last week, a tornado swept through Jessieville, Arkansas, damaging schools and several homes. Just hours after the storm, the community was already working to rebuild. And in the days since, THV11's Brooke Buckner shows us how the community's faith in one another has only grown stronger as they all work to move forward.
So would you please bow your heads?
Prayers of gratitude Sunday afternoon as dozens of students, staff, and parents continue to recover after the tornado.
It was sheer terror when I got the phone call that a tornado hit the school and we didn't know what was going on.
Karen Stogsdill rushed to find her grandson at the school immediately after the storm and says she's thankful it wasn't any worse.
It was just a relief that not only he was okay, but all the teachers and faculty and the people whose homes were affected.
Her grandson's teacher, Tiffany Wainscott, says keeping her students safe was her #1 priority during the tornado, and she did just that.
I gathered all the students and went to the other door and kind of sheltered in place and waited until we thought it was safe to travel to the safe room.
Now she says she's thankful to move forward and see her students again Monday.
My personal children are excited to go back to school and get to see their friends.
Superintendent Melissa Spears says times like these make the Jessieville community feel like home.
There's nothing like it. The people here, the support, you've seen the people that have turned out to pray and who pray for us every day.
And just like Wainscott, she's ready to have the kids back in the classroom.
I don't like the summers because the staff and the kids aren't here. Schools are supposed to have kids in the hallways and are supposed to have kids here. So I'm excited.
In Jessieville, Brooke Buckner, THV 11 News.
School will be back open tomorrow, and Spears says she plans to meet with first responders to discuss future improvements in case anything like this ever happens again.